Photoshop can remove the background of your image in 10 seconds. Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of this channel, and today we're going to dive into the world of Adobe Photoshop. And today we are also going to be, removing the background of an image. So with that said, let me go ahead and import the picture we're going to be using for today. It's okay. After you have imported it, what we are going to do is try to move this picture, and you're going to see a message pop up telling you that the picture is not in background mode. So you have to convert it into a normal layer. So let's do that. Resize this. So for this particular background remover, we are going to be using the property panel inside Photoshop. So if you can't see your property panel, you're going to go to the top window of your Photoshop app, and you're going to see a window. You click on it, scroll down, see properties. So let me uncheck my property. You see the property panel has gone out, so let me check it back. Good. And you see it's back. So once you're inside the property panel, after you've converted to a normal layer, you're going to see quick actions, and you're going to see remove background. So let's click on remove background and let's wait for it. And there you have it. You have successfully removed the background of the image. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. See you guys in the next video.